Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Ruth likes 144 but not 134, 1600 but not 1700 and 3025 but not 3010. So which of the following four number would she like, and given are the options. So first of all, let us write the numbers that Ruth likes. So Ruth likes below numbers that are 144, 1600 and 3025. So we can say that 144 is 12 square, 1600 is 40 square and 3025 is 55 square. Hence we can conclude that Ruth likes perfect square numbers. So now let's check the option which is perfect square, because she will like that number and we have to find which number she likes. So we can say that 295 is not a perfect square, 245 is also not a perfect square, 270 is also not a perfect square, but we know that this option C, 289, is a perfect square, which is 17 square, which is a perfect square we can say. So definitely she will like this number 289. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.